Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. This is Prajesh. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new next generation Suzuki S-Cross,
which has been finally revealed globally. First, let's talk about the exterior design.
It is clearly visible that the side profile of this new S-Cross is more evolutionary in terms of design, while still retaining the overall proportions, the curves, and the overall glass house design.
It is also clear that this new S-Cross is taller than the outgoing model,
offering more beefier wheel arches, more ground clearance, and more SUV-like appeal.
This all-new 2022 S-Cross features an all-new front fascia,
featuring a large and prominent grille, flanked by sleek and sharp-looking LED headlamps. These headlamps are connected by a chrome strip running across the width of the grille, with the large Suzuki logo placed right at the center of the grille.
Just like the outgoing model, this new S-Cross will also feature all-round body cladding along with silver finish skid plates, and the top spec variants will get LED fog lamps as well.
This overall front design language is similar to what we have seen on the Maruti Suzuki XL6, aiming to provide a more butch and SUV-like appeal. This all-new second-generation S-Cross is also likely to get larger 17-inch alloy wheels, with all-wheel disc brakes available as standard.
The rear design of the all-new S-Cross is also completely radical, featuring clear lens LED tail lamps, which are connected by a piano black beam with a chrome strip on top. In terms of interior and features as well, this new S-Cross gets a lot of significant changes, with an overall evolutionary design language. While the steering wheel, center console and the door pad design are almost similar to what we have seen on the outgoing model, this new S-Cross gets a new reprofiled dashboard design, featuring a large 9-inch freestanding touchscreen infotainment system just above the redesigned AC vents. This new touchscreen system offers features such as connected car tech, a 360-degree surround view camera, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. Along with the new center console design, this new S-Cross also offers dual-zone automatic climate control, along with heated front seats for global markets. The topmost variant of the all-new S-Cross also offers a panoramic sunroof, along with other features such as automatic LED headlamps, automatic wipers, leather upholstery, front and rear armrests, and smart key access with push-button start. The higher spec variants of the new S-Cross also offer advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring system, and lane keep assist. In terms of safety features, apart from all-wheel disc brakes, this new S-Cross will also offer ESP with traction control and hill hold assist as standard, along with 6 airbags.
This new second-generation S-Cross is likely to carry forward the very same 1.5-litre 4-cylinder K-series petrol engine. However, this petrol engine will be mated to a mild hybrid system and will be improved to provide more power and torque. That said, for the international market, this new S-Cross will be powered by a 1.4-litre booster jet turbocharged petrol engine, producing around 130 PS of maximum power, while also offering Suzuki's all-grip all-wheel drive system.
That said, just like the global second-generation S-Cross, the Indian version is also likely to be mated to either a 6-speed manual gearbox or a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. While this all-new second-generation S-Cross has already been unveiled for global markets,
it is likely to be introduced in India only by the end of 2022. Stay tuned for further updates regarding the all-new second-generation S-Cross. Meanwhile, this is Prajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.